Converting cryptocurrency on Huobi Token Exchange, or HTX, is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Huobi platform and deposit the cryptocurrency you want to convert. First, log into your Huobi account and navigate to the HTX website. From there, click on the Exchange tab and select the market you want to trade in. For example, if you want to convert Bitcoin to Ethereum, select the Bitcoin Ethereum market. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to convert in the buy or sell box. You can choose to enter the amount in the base currency or the quote currency. For example, if you are converting Bitcoin to Ethereum, you can enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell or the amount of Ethereum you want to buy. Once you have entered the amount, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. This includes the exchange rate, the amount of cryptocurrency you are buying or selling, and any fees associated with the transaction. After reviewing the transaction details, confirm the trade by clicking the buy or sell button. The conversion will be processed immediately and the new cryptocurrency will be added to your account. It is essential to note that cryptocurrency conversions on HTX are subject to market fluctuations and fees. The exchange rate may change rapidly, and fees may apply to the transaction. To minimize risks, it is recommended to stay up to date with market trends and to only convert the amount of cryptocurrency you can afford to lose. In addition to converting cryptocurrency, HTX also offers other features such as margin trading and spot trading. These features allow you to trade with leverage and to buy and sell cryptocurrency at the current market price. To get the most out of HTX, it is recommended to familiarize yourself with the platform and its features. This includes setting up two-factor authentication, enabling anti-phishing codes, and staying up to date with market trends. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily convert cryptocurrency on HTX and take advantage of the platform's features to achieve your investment goals. Remember to always prioritize risk management and to only invest what you can afford to lose.